Attitude is altitude is all about the way we choose to live our life, the choices that we make.
No matter what happens to me, how I respond to it is what's going to determine how far in life I go.
Nick is an amazing motivational speaker.
When you have a guy like Nick sitting there telling you, look, you're in control of your destiny, it doesn't matter what hand life dealt you, you can still make the best out of it and still become a positive person and not feel sorry for yourself, but really make some. Who can argue with that philosophy?
The content is great. My kind of goal was how do I make it useful and relevant to their life.
Very functional, very easy. I actually enjoy coming in every morning knowing that this is something I can get out within first 5 minutes, get everything set up, get ready to go, and get on my way and start the day.
Because the kids ran with it so well, we could have filled an entire class period. 10, 15 minutes sometimes wasn't enough. We found ourselves kind of always creeping over and taking up more time. They wanted to continue with it.
Since we've been doing this for the past 6 weeks, you can tell the attitude in the class is completely different. The students want to help one another. They're opening up to each other. They're interacting with students that they never interacted with before. They want to help. They want to be part of a community, something bigger than just the class. You realize everybody's working together. It just takes off, and the kids end up running the sessions themselves. I'm just there to be a facilitator and guide them through.
When Nick's talking, I usually reframe the situation and see, well, he has it kind of worse than me, and what can I do to help my community instead of just being all negative.
And he doesn't always think down, I can't do this, I can't do that. He thinks what he can do and what he can do to help others.
It just all in all makes you feel like a better person for learning about it, and it just makes you feel good.
What a crazy dude. He's definitely inspired me. I honestly can't wait to actually meet him in person.